Yo, what's up? Kevin here. Here to talk about our next featured product in this current episode of Good Tech Cheap. This is something I think everyone out there is going to like quite a bit. Now, there's a right way and there's a wrong way to do this sort of workflow. Let's show you the wrong way. Buddy, what are you doing?
I like working at different heights.
That's great. So you're kind of just moving up and down there, huh?
Pretty much. Good for the glutes.
Yeah? Well, you want to show me the adjustability real quick?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. So that's one way to do it. How about we show all of you the other way to do it, where the work moves and you don't have to, on this next episode of Good Tech Cheap. Hi everyone, what's up? And welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin.
And I'm your host Adron. Hey, if you like this video and if you can, please give it a like. Please subscribe and please click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video.
Yes indeed, because if you do, you'll know when we share awesome things like what we're about to share right now.
Oh, why don't we share it?
Yes, we will. It is from our good friends at AUKEY. We've reviewed several different things that AUKEY has made, and we have found that all of them are tip-top, engineered very well, always come at a great price, and they tend to work fairly flawlessly.
Yeah, they work really well.
And we're talking electronics and accessories, all those things you can put on what we're talking about today. It is the AUKEY electric standing desk.
That sounds extremely self-explanatory, doesn't it?
It kind of is, but
yes.
we should talk about it anyway.
Yeah, we should probably explain the finer points, such as this is probably the easiest standing desk to assemble.
Yeah.
In only 5 minutes, you can assemble the whole thing.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah. The package includes all of the necessary parts and tools you need to assemble it, as well as storage accessories.
Which is not bad at all. You're going to get a dual motor lift system in this AUKEY standing desk. A lot of lesser expensive models have one, and usually they're off to one side. Not this time. Both legs are actually going to go up and down. Kind of like he was doing, only it's a desk this time.
Exactly. That's what your desk is doing, but more stable.
Yep, you can go from sitting to standing in just mere seconds.
Oh, that is fantastic. And how high does it go?
So your range is quite decent from standing to sitting. You can go from 2.3 feet to 3.94 feet. That's a lot of feet.
That's a lot of feet.
A lot of range.
Yeah, that's
feet.
Pretty good range, actually. Yes, and also a strong and practical desk to boot.
This is true.
Yes, this has industrial grade steel framing with a modern black wooden top support.
It's sleek and stylish, as it should be.
It can support up to 180 pounds, and it includes cable management nets to keep cables organized and completely out of the way.
As I said, nice and sleek. And that motor that's hauling everything up and down like that, and yeah, I said hauling, because 180 pounds is a lot to haul, especially in terms of computer equipment. The motor is so quiet. The noise is under 50 decibels. You're silent, it just whirs up, whirs down.
Also comes with a little storage bag to hold even more things.
I really like little storage bags.
I also like people that understand that sometimes you need to organize stuff, and they give you that option right there, right in the packaging.
Gonna get organized next year.
It has an extremely spacious surface, 4 by 2 feet, enough to fit laptops, your phone, important work materials, office supplies, anything else you need. It is a solid one-piece top and has a seamless surface.
I think what we need to do now is show everyone out there a demonstration about how awesome this desk is, and there's only one person I can think of who's capable of doing such a thing. His name is Matt.
Take it away, Matt.
What? Me? Again? I gotta build another thing, but guys, I can't even put my hoodie on right. I'm gonna build a desk. I got the box. I opened the box. Everything was in the box. According to the sheet, everything that was supposed to be included was included. I followed the instructions. I built the desk. And with a little movie magic, the desk was built. I built the desk. Hey, wait. Hey guys.
Thanks, Matt. We got it.
Yeah,
So what'd you think?
I thought that was pretty fantastic.
Put it together super quick,
Oh yeah.
super quiet.
Mm-hmm.
That work area is great. The 180-pound weight capacity, the dual monitor setup, the components to keep all cables and things just neatly wrapped away so it just continues to look good as you use your standing desk. Good stuff.
We're all phenomenal, I have to say. And this standing desk comes in at just $399.99.
$399.99.
That's really good for a standing desk, I have to admit.
You don't believe us? We'll fight you. Or you could check the link in the description below. Click on that.
Yeah, let's
and,
check that link in the description below
I
instead.
wasn't really gonna fight,
Yeah.
I'm a lover, not a fighter. I'm also hungry.
Speaking of hungry, I believe that wraps up this episode of Good Tech Cheap.
He's correct.
Thank you so much to AUKEY for sponsoring this video. If you like the standing desk, please click on that link in the description below to look at this and buy it.
Yes, indeed. You will enjoy it. Standing desks are great to have, and they're healthy for you too.
Yes.
You don't want to be sitting all day.
No,
Not a good thing.
very bad thing.
All right. Well, from Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Kevin.
I've been your host, Adron.
Stay safe.
Be kind to each other.
We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.